Welcome to my poster. My name is Matti Mõttus and I work at VTT Technical Research Center of Finland in Helsinki. I present this virtual poster on behalf of a consortium which will implement Forest Digital Twin Earth Precursor. The consortium includes my host institute, VTT, University of Helsinki, and companies bringing together expertise in forest system simulation, information management and forestry. Simosol, Unique, Cloudferro, and INCDS. High-level EU documents, EU Green Deal and EU Data Strategy call for bringing together European scientific and industrial excellence to develop a very high-precision digital model of the Earth. In the called Digital Twin Earth Precursors, ESA divided the Earth system into themes. Forest Digital Twin is in the theme Land Use for a Carbon-Neutral Europe, but it contributes also to environmental disasters and risk management, and biodiversity and vulnerable ecosystems. Forests come in different shapes and sizes and are difficult to picture. To do it properly, we need to capture more than the tall stems of trees dominating the view. What matters is often taking place behind the scenes. Forests are valuable for their biodiversity and their effects on climate. Forests exert their presence even when they are not there anymore. They live on in the carbon of their wood products and will help to empower the circular economy of the future. Hence, we will work with Earth observation data to determine the structural and biological properties of forests. Use this information to initialize a set of forest ecosystem models which include processes above and below the ground, and develop new interfaces and visualization tools, making the cloud platform easily accessible to end users. The goal of the system is to bring together forest data and users interested in forests. We have an ever-increasing volume of Earth observation data, and open data initiatives make national forest databases publicly available. We have precise measurements on the functioning of our forest and the climate system. And finally, we have users eager to make a good use of these data. Forest Digital Twin will bring user to the data and data to the user. The user will select the area of interest, and the necessary data will be fetched and pre-processed to the spatial distribution of forests in that region. This will be used to initialize a forest ecosystem model, which takes into account the weather data available for the region, considering human interventions to quantify the future of the forests in the area of interest. The updated forests are then given again to the mercy of ecosystem models, which determine their growth under measured or modeled climates. The cycle can be repeated, for example, at yearly steps. The carbon balance of the forest ecosystem will be computed, as well as its albedo, and the contribution of wood products to carbon sequestration. Finally, the data are transformed to information and given to the user in a visualization system. In the precursor stage, the Forest Digital Twin will be tested with users from Finland, Germany and Romania. The system will be built for the future with improved EU capabilities and more open databases. Forest Digital Twin builds on strong background in forest-related research and development, forest models developed at University of Helsinki and FMI, forest simulation software, forest thematic exploitation platform, and an extensive network of partners and end users, companies, governmental agencies, scientific and institutional users. Thank you for your attention. The project has just kicked off, so stay tuned for news and updates.